Hello student. So in this class we will start with the phase shift of symmetrical component in star to delta transformer bank. That is, when the primary of transformer is connected in star, secondary is connected in delta, what is the phase shift between the transformer of symmetrical component when it that is voltage when it moves from primary to secondary, that is primary star connected to secondary delta connected. Okay, for this what is assumption is required, that is small n, that is the turns ratio, that is equal to n1 by n2, that is primary turns ratio, secondary turns ratio, that is equal to e1 by e2, primary voltage, secondary voltage, that is equal to i2 by i1, secondary voltage by primary voltage. Let small n be the turns ratio. Okay, E small a, E small b, E small c be the phase voltages, that is here E small a, E small b, E small c be the phase voltages in the star connected. Okay, and E capital A, E capital B and E capital C be the corresponding line voltages in star side. See here, E capital A, E capital B, E capital C be the line current in the primary star connected transformer. Okay na, star side of the star delta transformer. Okay na, now let EA dash, EB dash, EC dash be the voltage across the windings in delta side, because in delta side phase voltage equal to line voltage, that's why EA dash, EB dash, EC dash be the voltage across in the delta side. Okay na, now what is n? N is the turns ratio equal to what here? Primary voltage by secondary voltage. Okay, what is the primary voltage in phase A? I can write here n equal to EA divided by EA dash. Okay na, that is E capital A dash. See here, n equal to what is the phase voltage in the primary side? EA. Secondary voltage is EA dash, that's what I have written. See here, n equal to E1 by E2 होता है primary voltage by secondary voltage. Similarly, n equal to phase C, primary voltage is EC, secondary voltage is EC dash. Similarly, EB, primary voltage is, that is n equal to EB by EB dash, EB dash, isn't it? That is primary voltage by primary voltage is EB, secondary voltage is EB dash. Okay na, so I can write it is here. From this I can write what? I can write EA equal to what? I can write from this n into EA dash, I can write, see here, from this one. Similarly, from second one, see here, I can write EB equal to n into EB dash. Similarly, from this one, EC equal to n into EC dash, isn't it? Okay, now come to this. In the primary side, what is line current? EA equal to EBC, isn't it? That is voltage between EBC, line B and C is EBC, that is equal to opposite vertex. EA is the opposite vertex to B and C. Okay, that is a mathematics, basic mathematics, you know. That is equal to EBC equal to, see here, EA equal to EBC equal to EC minus EB, isn't it? Ending voltage minus starting voltage, that is equal to, see here, what is EB? N into, sorry, what is EC? N into EC dash. What is EB? N into EB dash. Okay na, okay, fine. Similarly, apply it for EB. EB equal to what? See here, ECA. ECA equal to EA minus EC, that is equal to what is EA? N into EA dash minus what is EC? N into EC dash. Similarly, EC equal to what? E into AB. EAB is equal to EB minus EA. How's that? EB minus EA. What is EB? N into EB dash. What is EA? N into EA dash. Okay na. Okay, now taking positive sequence components. Okay, positive sequence components means what? You take here, EA is there, EA1, because positive sequence component is represented by suffix 1. Okay na, suffix 1, positive sequence component is represented by suffix 1, that's why EA I have written EA1. Okay, N into EC dash I have written EC1 dash minus N into EB dash I have written EB1 dash. Okay, now that is a positive sequence component. Just apply the suffix to this. Similarly for remaining. Okay, next see here, n into EC dash minus EB dash as written in the previous case. But now I want to write EC dash and EB dash in terms of EA1 dash. How to write this? See here, what is a positive sequence component? Phase sequence is ABC na. EA1 dash, EB1 dash, EC1 dash, it is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So we studied in the beginning only. ABC is a phase sequence. Angle between the phases is 120 degree, isn't it? It is a balancing condition. EA1 dash, then EB1 dash, EC1 dash. It has to move in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now. So now, see, I want to write EC1 dash in terms of EA1 dash. How to write it? See here. If the EA1 dash has to reach EC1 dash, it has to cross, what is the angle? 120 degree. 120 means A. Operator A is 1 at angle 120. That's why I have written EC1 dash equal to A into EA1 dash. Because your EA1 dash has to reach EC1 dash means it has to cross 120. Similarly, EB1 dash, your EA1 dash has to reach EB1 dash means 120 plus 120 is 240. 240 means A square, operator A square. That's why EB1 dash equal to A square into EA1 dash. Okay, now substitute it. See here, EC1 dash equal to what? A into A1 dash. EB1 dash equal to what? A square into A1 dash. A1 dash take common. That is A minus A square. What is A minus operator equation? A minus A square is J root 3. So J root 3 into N into EA1 dash. But I want EA1 dash. That is voltage on the secondary, that is delta side. EA1 dash equal to EA1 by J root 3 from this, isn't it? But I want to take J to numerator. Minus J. 1 by J is minus J EA1 by root 3 into N. Similarly, no need to derive for EB1 dash, EC1 dash. You can directly write from this. EB1 dash equal to what? Minus J EB1 by root 3 into N from this. EC1 dash equal to what? Minus J into root 3N into EC1 from this. Similarly, taking negative sequence component. Again, no need to derive this whole thing. Positive sequence component already we have done. Negative sequence component is just opposite. See here, EA2 dash equal to plus J. Sorry, minus J, here plus J root 3 into EA2 suffix 2. Similarly, EB2 dash equal to, see here minus J, here plus J by root 3N, EB2 suffix 2, EC2 dash equal to, so here minus J, here plus J, root 3N into EC2. Okay, now negative sequence component is just opposite to this. What it indicates? See here, positive sequence voltages undergoes a phase shift of minus 90 degree. Because here minus J, and negative sequence voltages undergoes a phase shift of plus 90 degree, because here plus J during star to delta transformation. Means, see here, this is a EA1 dash is the voltage in the delta side, EA1 is the voltage in the star side. Means EA1 dash is lagging EA1 by 90 degree, because minus J is 90 degree lagging. Similarly, EB1 dash is lagging this EB1 by 90 degree lagging